Today we'll study refraction of light through prism. To understand the refraction of light through prism, we first learn what is prism. A prism is a piece of glass. A prism is having two triangle bases. And having three rectangular lateral surfaces. One of the rectangular surface, let us say BCFE, is called the base of the prism. The other two inclined surfaces ABED and ACFD are known as lateral surface or refracting surface. The line along the two lateral surfaces meet is called refracting edge of prism. The angle between two lateral or refracting surfaces is called angle of prism. Any section of the prism perpendicular to the refracting edge is called the principal section of the prism. Now we do an activity to understand the refraction of light through a prism. Activity: refraction of light through prism. We take a triangular prism, a cardboard, a white sheet of paper, few thumbnail pins, a pencil, a protractor to measure the angle, a ruler. Fix a sheet of white paper on a drawing board using drawing pins. Place a glass prism on it in such a way that it rests on the triangular base. Trace the outline of the prism using a pencil. Make its boundary A, B, C. Remove the prism. Draw a straight line PE inclined to one of the refracting surface, say AB, of the prism. Fix 2 points, say P and Q, on the line PE. Put the prism back on the boundary ABC. Look for the images of the pin fixed at P and Q through the other face. Fix two more pins at point R and S such that the pins at R and S lie on the same straight line. Remove the glass prism and the pins. The line PE meets the boundary AB of the prism at point E. Similarly, join SR and make this line to meet the prism boundary AC at point E. Join the points E and F. Draw a perpendicular to the refracting surface AB and AC of the prism at points E and F respectively. These are marked as N and M. Here, line NE is normal to the surface AB and line MF is normal to the surface AC. Here, PE represents the incident ray, EF is the refracted ray, and Fs is the emergent ray. Any ray of light is entering from air to glass at first surface AB. Here is a light ray due to the refraction has bent towards the normal. Angle of refraction. This angle which is bent towards the normal due to refraction is called angle of refraction, which is denoted by angle R. And angle which is emerging from air to glass with respect to the normal is called angle of incident, which is denoted by angle I. Here you can observe angle of incident, angle I, and angle of refraction, angle R. Now we observe that at surface AC the light ray has entered from the glass air, hence it has bent away from the normal. So we get there, this is an emergent ray bent at an angle E, which is angle of emergence to the direction of the incident ray. If the incident ray PE extends forward to point H, the emergent ray SF backwards at K, these two rays, incident and emergent ray, meet at point G, which forming an angle FGH. Measuring the angle FGH, which can be approximately 68. So we have angle of deviation. The angle FGH is called the angle of deviation. Angle of deviation is the angle through which incident ray is deviated. Do it yourself. Please repeat this with the different position of the first two pins or angle of incident. So that's it for today's class. Rest we will see in the next class. Thank you.